Welcome back. We're talking with animal trainer Kim Sykes of Canine Manners and More to talk about some behavior problems or issues you may have been struggling with your dog. Kim, welcome back.
Thank you.
Now, if you're wondering why Griffin is facing this way this whole segment, it's because Oklahoma Joe's over here prepping up some barbecue for us.
Yes, Oklahoma Joe's is hard to resist for any of the pups.
All right, let's get to our question. So Claudia asks, I have a 5-month-old beagle and he play bites me and my toddler so much. How can I stop it?
Yeah, you know, play biting is one of those things that can go into adolescent biting really quickly, and especially with a child in the home, we really want to try to give them an outlet. One of our favorite things to do is always teach the dog to go get a toy. You know, get something, tell him to fetch something up, and then you can go on. We do a lot of place training, especially with children, and teach them to toss treats to the floor for the puppies to eat. Cheerios are great to share between children and puppies.
Awesome. Well, Veronica says, we just got a 1-year-old Chihuahua and he loves my granddaughter, but won't come to me or my husband except for something to eat.
Yes, and that can take some time, you know, not knowing exactly what that dog's history is, creating those positive experiences. Unfortunately, a lot of times with small dogs like Chihuahuas, we reach down to pick them up, and they want to back up. So sometimes asking them to jump up on a surface, you know, like the side of a chair or something like that, that will create a place for them to come and get petting and not think they're going to be picked up. So it's really one of those things of creating a positive association with, this is the spot you come. You may have to use treats for a while, and then you can randomize them and eventually phase them out.
Treats do wonders.
They do.
It's amazing. All right, finally, Sherry says, how do I get my dog to quit barking at every little noise and at anyone who comes to the house?
Oh, and that's always a hard one, because sometimes, you know, we will mask the noise, use you know, a sound machine or something like that to kind of block the noises to help with those, especially if somebody is transitioning from into a new home. That can help to ease that way in. It's really one of those things that you want to try to create a positive association with the noises. Oh, I hear that. Here, we're going to drop some cookies on the floor to ease that. You can also talk to your veterinarian about some different medication to help alleviate some of that anxiety.
I gotta ask, because we just got a foster cat last night, how do you introduce your dogs to a cat?
Yeah, anytime I bring a new foster animal in, whether it be a dog or a cat or a bird, it is, you know, 48 hours of peace and quiet. One animal's in one room, one animal's in the other. Let them kind of do that. And then I always want to create those positive associations. Cookies go a long way for dogs and cats.
And humans, I bet, too.
Yes, oh yes.
Awesome. Well, Kim, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, when we come back, we smell the barbecue and we're heading to the cooking corner where Oklahoma Joe is here